Recently I bought a hybrid vehicle. I'm so happy with that. And then I have an issue with the vehicle. People say hybrid vehicle go with 19 kilometers or 25 kilometers. But for me it's around 10.5 or 11. So I'm a bit upset. And then I used to go a place where I don't want to mention the name. So I went over there. And then they said, oh, this is nothing, sir, no problem. You have to just do a service, change the oil, things will be normal. Yet, I was debating because this is hybrid. This is totally different concept, So, these people, it's a normal car wash people, or I would say they've been in the trade last 20 years about the vehicle services. But yet, I was debating. Then when I come back to my home, and then I met my friend, I would say his name is Fawmi, and then he said, I told him, Machan, this is the issue. How? Then he said, Machan, there is a place you go, name called hybrid hub, and then you go and give the vehicle and see what is happening. Machan, the name is bit popular, like I'm seeing. They will pull out all my teeth, they'll take big money. It seems like a company. Then he said, you go and then give me the feedback. He said, fine. The moment I walk in over here, I met a gentleman Vias. I was so happy with him. The way he welcomed me. It's like a VIP treatments. Like I'm so happy with that. And then he took me in my vehicle. He was seated on the driving seat. He explained about what is hybrid. Even I didn't. Before I go for this vehicle, I got some ideas about the hybrid vehicle. But though I got the ideas, Riaz gave me a tremendous explanation about the vehicle. What is hybrid? I was so happy. Happy, and then I said, okay, fine, how do I get it sorted? Then the moment he said, okay, put it into the service center. So I put the vehicle inside. This Mr. Prakash came and said, okay, he guided Vias, just get it done soon as possible because my time is very important. So he just opened it and said, okay, sir, you heard about the dual clutch oil? I said, no. He asked me, have you been before any other service station? Yes, I said, nobody didn't talk about that. This is the problem. Because your vehicle almost drawn around 32,000 kilometers, you should go with, you will have to change the dual clutch oil. That is the main key. Wow, it's excellent. So I said, okay, come on, go ahead. And then they did all the things for me. Then after that, they changed the oil and then everything. Now it's going around 20 to 25 kilometers per liter. I'm so happy with that. Yeah.
Vehicle என்ன உங்களுக்கு பிரச்சனை இருந்துச்சு டாக்டர் ஷராஃபத்?
லோ அது பெட்ரோல் சரியாக வேலை செய்யலை. ஓகே, சரியாக சர்வீஸ் பண்ணல, சரியாக மெயின்டெனன்ஸ் பண்ணல. அதை சுற்றி வர பெட்ரோல் சரியாக வேலை இல்லாமல் டிரைவிங் கொஞ்சம் நிறைய கஷ்டமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொல்லி போது
இதுதான் நீங்கள் எனக்கு சொன்னீங்க. நீங்கள் நான் அந்த மோமெண்ட் அங்கே வந்துட்டாட நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்க ரைட். சார் வெஹிக்கிள் எனக்கு கைட் பண்ணீங்க நல்லா. ஐம் ஹாப்பி. சரியா, அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணீங்க, வெஹிக்கிள் உள்ளுக்கு எடுத்து ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்தீங்க. வெஹிக்கிளில் இன்ஃபோனட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி எல்லாம் ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்துட்டு சொன்னீங்க இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குது, இதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் சரியாக பண்ணினீங்கன்னு சொன்னாக்கா ஷுவராக உங்களோட வெஹிக்கிள் ஓகே ஆகும் அப்படின்னு நான் கேரண்டியானு கேட்டேன். நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்க எஸ், நீங்கள் கேரண்டி பண்ணினீங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நான் சொன்னேன் ஓகே. ப்ரைஸை கேட்டேன். ப்ரைஸ் ஆல்சோ அஃபோர்டபுள் ஃபார் மீ. எனக்கு அது அஃபோர்டபுளாக இருந்துச்சு அந்த ப்ரைஸ். ஓகே, கோ ஹெட்ன்னு சொன்னேன். ஆஃப்டர் அதை நீங்கள் பண்ணி கொடுத்த அப்புறம் oh God, thanks. I'm happy with the service which you are giving to me. Adha na solluven. I can give one small suggestion, right? Sorry about it, but you are giving a tremendous job. But you have to expand it. The place is not enough because the service you are providing. Because even after come over here, I have been telling many friends about you all. So now everybody's in the pipeline. Anytime they will walk in. So you will have a huge crowd to get it done their services, but you should be able to copy it. Otherwise you will lose your customer service. So tell your management, sir, why don't they expand it, give some spaces and then put it and get it done. That is the suggestion I can give you. Other than that, the service wise and the price wise, even I'm so happy with this gentleman. He called me after done this job 2-3 days later. He called me. I got a call from a mobile number. So I'm Riaz speaking from. Yes, what happened? Any issues? No, Sharafath, I just wanted to know what is the service. See the service there. So they keep on following the customer about the service. I'm so happy with that.